of comments coming on
See,
this.
everybody knows that Bangalore lacked infrastructure. Bangalore was not built for this kind of a population and this kind of vehicles. We have, the population is approximately 1.4 crores and there are almost equal number of vehicles are running on the street. But we don't have that kind of an infrastructure for that. So unless we build new infrastructure, spread out Bangalore, traffic is going to be a biggest challenge for us. It's always been. And now we are planning, and the minister in charge, Mr. Shivakumar, is also looking at so many alternatives. One of the alternatives is, going underground. In fact, we have already started that. All these measures, somewhere we have to build a flyover, somewhere we have to build an underpass, or somewhere we have to go below the ground roads. And all these kind of things, of course it will take time, money and everything. But immediately, what Mr. Shivakumar has mentioned, it cannot be within 3 years or 2 years. It cannot be a short-term, measure. It will take a little longer time. So that is why I think he has mentioned that.
So there is a letter by one of your office bearers that during the Ramzan, concession of 1 hour should be given to government Muslim employees so that they can do their rituals. So what do you have to say?
No, you would have written a letter, but there is no proposal like that before the government. There is no such a discussion happened either in the cabinet or otherwise. He would have written a letter.
Sir, but there has been a furor also in Telangana. The BJP has said that this is appeasement
politics. We are not concerned about Telangana.
But BJP is getting ready to protest regarding the...
Let them protest.
Sir, one last question.
They are in the opposition. As long as they are in the opposition, they keep protesting.
Sir, one last question. So on social media, there are some videos going viral where swords are being, brandished.
Such persons will definitely brought to the books. We don't spare anybody who can take the law and order into their hands. Police is quite competent enough. That is why Karnataka is peaceful. Compared to many other states, Karnataka is relatively peaceful. So we maintain the law and order. We have been always looking at things like this and take actions.